Hi everyone, so today we finally have the Porsche 928 back. I know it's been 3 months since we made a video on this car, but I've been actually having some issues sourcing some parts. See, after I installed the seats, I took it out for a spin, and unfortunately the transmission cooler line blew. Considering how old this car is, trying to source proprietary parts for it are very difficult. It took me 4 orders, 2 of which got canceled, 1 got lost in shipment, and then finally the last one came in yesterday. I ended up having to fork out $160 for this part. This is pretty expensive. That's probably the most money I've spent on this car other than the rims. Let's go ahead and install it, get that leak solved, and then take it for a spin. So below my hideous wiring is the transmission cooler line that's in question. It started leaking right here at the seam where the crimp goes to the hose, and it's leaking so bad that I can't really drive this car safely. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that one off, throw this on, and then we should be good to go to fill it up. Oh! Completely just snapped. Well, we're under the car now taking a look at that reservoir, and to my surprise, we're actually okay on fluid. We are just ever so slightly above minimum, so I'm going to go ahead and add some fluid and then we should be good to go. For filling transmissions, I like to use this Milwaukee transfer pump. It's technically not used for oil, but I've never had any issues with it. It just sucks out of the gallon container. I have my feed that goes to the transmission. I'll go ahead and hit my button here, and it moves the fluid pretty fast. It'll generally drain a quart in less than 10 seconds. Alright, well that's all I have for you guys today. I know this video is a little bit shorter than the last couple ones on this project. I know I talked about doing an active aero spoiler on this car one day. That didn't happen this summer, but hopefully next year we can do that. The local lake association does ice racing in the winter, and they set up a pretty nice road course on the lake. If we get a cold winter this year, I'm gonna try to get this thing on the lake and see if we can make some videos. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later.